I think after 7 years, it is the right time to take Emaar South to the next level and show to the market there's a lot of demand for apartments in Emaar South, and that is where there's a real opportunity for the investors to invest in the apartments in Emaar South after a 7-year long period. Now everybody will agree, I think the entire market, the entire future is moving towards the south. Yes or no? I think a lot of you were reaching out to us. This was not in the plan, by the way. When we were designing the launch plan for this year, we did not have plans to launch apartments, but there was so much demand. Everybody came to us. They were looking at, we need apartments in Emaar South. We need, because a lot of people are looking at this 1 million range, 1.3 million range. We are unable to cater to the demand. Here we are, guys. This project is truly come to you because you have asked for this project, and we have made effort to design an apartment project in Emaar South, and we're bringing it to you. And I think in 2040, the Urban Master Plan, today when we are in 2024, if you look at a decade and a half later, you will see that this entire area in terms of South District, not only Emaar South, but the entire Dubai South District is going to become the epicenter of both Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Also, recently we had this amazing announcement of the world's largest airport being there. And not only that, the entire operations moving from the current terminal will ensure that the center of the city is going to become the south, and hence any investor who is getting into not only Emaar South but also in the entire south area in this time at this price is bound to get a lot of appreciation. And that brings us to what is there in Dubai South altogether. If you look at it, you have the largest man-made airport, you have the largest man-made port. There are 500,000 jobs to be created in Dubai South alone. 500,000 jobs. So if you look at that, you need at least 500,000 homes, not only villas and townhouses, but also affordable apartments to cater to the 500,000 employees who are working in Dubai South. And that is where helps to the fact that there's a lot of demand for apartments in this area. Also, if you look at the Vision 2040, the entire Dubai agenda of 2040, everything is moving towards Dubai South. Now, Emaar South is one of such community which is right in the heart of Dubai South. And let me take you into the video where it shows the amalgamation of Emaar South in Dubai South and also the expansion of the Inco Airport, which is probably one of the most talked about point in the last couple of months. Now, a lot of people or investors can actually ask you, okay, the airport is going there. What happens when the airport moves there? When you see a 128 billion dirham establishment in that area, the number of jobs it creates. Today, a lot of Emirates crew are actually coming to us and are interested to explore Emaar South just to the fact that the entire operations can move to that area. Now, this is foresight. Now, this is where if investors see that if more than 500,000 jobs are being created in this area, you can imagine what kind of demand this area will see in probably the next 4 or 5 years. We are not even talking about 10 years timeline. Now we are only talking about the next 4 to 5 years when all of this is going to take shape. Not only about the airport, if you look at whatever is near it, the Loises City, the Jebel Ali port. In fact, a lot of people who are actually working in Marina area is only 20 minutes away from all these people, and people who really want to have affordable homes in a great community. Now this is the big difference. It is not just affordable homes, but also with an impeccable lifestyle. Now that is where the apartments in Emaar South stand, and that is where the demand what we see is amazing. That is where this is the best opportunity in Emaar South in terms of apartments. I mean, Emaar has launched apartments in Emaar South for the last 7 years. We waited for the golf course. The golf course in front of this tower is completed. We've launched all the villas and townhouses, and now after the entire master plan is established, after the demand has been established, is when we are bringing the apartments to the investors. So Emaar South, in terms of location, you're right opposite to the Al Maktoum Airport. easily accessible from the Emirates Road, from the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and the Expo Road. If you look at the driving distance to Marina is hardly around 20 minutes and you're around 15 minutes to downtown. I think it's very important to also understand the fact that it is 15 minutes to Abu Dhabi. It is extremely important for you to talk to your investors of the number of people who actually commute from Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah all the way to Abu Dhabi. They commute on a daily basis. They are looking at a master plan where they can actually lead an impeccable lifestyle with their family in the affordable segment. All these customers, the 100,000 customers who are actually crossing the Dubai borders and going to work, all these 100,000 customers are your demand segment. You have to go tap into these people because when you explain this proposition to them, they will understand. For them, this is a great lifeline. They will be only 15 minutes away from work, whereas today, every day they drive 2 hours up and 2 hours down. So there are a lot of people who eagerly waiting for this opportunity, and you need to talk these terms. When you talk about the number of people commuting from other Emirates into Abu Dhabi, the proximity to Abu Dhabi of Emaar South makes it one of the most sellable master plans in Dubai. And I mean, we've spoken about the Emaar South master plan as well. But if you look at it, what adds a lot of grace to the master plan is the 18-hole golf course. Historically, golf course communities appreciate 20 to 30% more than other communities. It's obvious. You take around 30% land and you make a golf course. That adds a lot of value, premium to the apartments because it is just not an entire melange of just buildings, but you have different parks, you have golf courses. This is lifestyle. When you make schools, when you make hospitals, when you make an 18-hole championship golf course, this is lifestyle. And hence, when customers perceive these units of these apartments, they perceive it as luxurious lifestyle. And hence, you have to talk about the golf course. Do not jump into what Emaar has offered in only in terms of price and size. I think we need to take time and explain to the investors, to the customers about what is there in the master plan. You are buying a 1-bedroom unit, a 1-bedroom with a golf view, a 2-bedroom with a golf view in an 18-hole championship apartment. Now this adds a lot of pretext. When you're selling to your investors, you establish this pretext and then go forward explaining the layout, the prices, the payment plan. But I want every one of you to basically focus on this slide. Now this is Emaar South for you. You have 2,000 townhouses, you have around 15,000 apartments, you have 48 hectares of open space, 25 neighboring parks, 4 community centers, 2 schools and 5 mosques. Now if you look at all these things, what does it mean? This is a mini city. Today, when people are residing in Albana, in the Expo Villas, they don't go out. Whatever they need on daily basis, everything is inside Emaar South. And imagine, as we go step by step, as we construct more projects in Emaar South, 5 years down the line, this is going to be a self-sustainable mini city. And hence, that is why investors and customers who are residing in this master plan, they need not go out of the master plan at all. Now, by popular demand, by your demand, after 2017, we are launching apartments in Emaar South after 7 long years. This is the launch video of Golf Point. What makes Golf Point special is the location of the project in the master plan. If you look at Golf Point location, it has the longest view of the golf course as compared to any other project possibly in Emaar South coming in the future. This makes Golf Point the most unique proposition. If you just look at it, you have possibly a kilometer long golf course view uninterrupted. Typically what happens is you might have around 100-150 meters width of golf course and then you have the villas and townhouses. But just the location makes it so peculiar and so so advantageous to the customers who invest that you will have almost a kilometer long of golf course without any interruption. This makes it one of the most strategically located, the best location in terms of apartments in Emaar South. Also, you have to differentiate yourself with other units, so hence somebody who invests here will get amazing views. And possibly when you are actually talking about this, why is it important? Because investors obviously want to make money. When they want to resell in the market, this is one of the biggest USP. The biggest USP is you have the longest view of the golf course from Golf Point. Now I'll just take you to some stunning views from Golf Point. This is, and as I said, if you look at even as far as your view goes, you will hardly see any townhouses or villas because there's a vast spread of area which is only spread by the golf course. Now this is the plot. We have two buildings, which is Tower 1 and Tower 2. This is the actual view right now on Google Maps, which means that the golf course in front of the building is already constructed. The golf course is done. And by the time Golf Point will be delivered, all the 18 holes will be completed. So when Golf Point is delivered, you will see that the entire 18-hole golf course is completed and it's completely active. This is also one of the most important points. When you start a development, a lot of people might sell, showing that okay, you're going to make a golf course, you're going to want to make a lagoon, etc., etc. But we are launching the apartment where the golf course in front of the building is already ready. Use this point because the infrastructure which is required, the basic infrastructure of the master plan is already completed, and hence construction will be fast-paced. You will not see any kind of delays in terms of construction because everything around Golf Point is already completed. It's another render of the beautiful view, what you're going to get from the Tower 1. Talking about the luxury amenities, I think we've put everything into these towers. You have a resort-style living, you have an amazing 3,000 square meter pool area, you have a kids pool area, you have a multi-purpose room, you have sports courts. And I really love this comparison. I mean, when people talk about the podium area, we need to give them a resemblance of what it resembles to. This area is equivalent to almost, I love this football field analogy because we can really visualize how big the football fields are. You have two football fields big worth of amenities in Golf Point 1 and 2. Now this is what makes it special. You go to your podium to actually keep just spending beautiful time with your family just on the podium. Now look at the vast infinity pool we have in Golf Point. You have a beautiful pool and this entire lounge area facing towards the vast 1 kilometer long view you're going to get on the golf course. You have beautiful multi-purpose courts, basketball courts, barbecue areas. This is another render of the swimming pool. Again, we are investing a lot in making state-of-art pools because we understand that this adds a lot of luxury to development, and because we are making common podium for two towers, we have the luxury of large space on the podium, and hence we are able to give massive pools, smaller developments. The beautiful garden areas along the entire podium areas, which adds grace to people who want to spend time with their families. We also have a very stylish multi-purpose room. We did not have this concept earlier, but going forward, we have multi-purpose rooms in every project, which if the customers want to basically book the room for any private events, they can basically use these rooms, and these are stylishly designed and also quite large. And if you look at the interiors, we are going with the state-of-art interiors. You have a blend of beauty and functionality. You have floor-to-ceiling windows to maximize the views. Yes, we need to talk about the views because this is one of the most prime locations in Emaar South itself which maximizes the views. This is the render for the master bedroom. You have beautiful, there are units where the living and the bedrooms, all of them get the golf course view, which makes it, I think, one of the best proposition. Now, I think this is one of the most important slides where I'll explain the massing of the towers. We have two towers. Where I'm standing is the golf course. This is Tower 1 and Tower 2. Whatever you see in blue are 2 bedrooms, whatever you see in pink are 1 bedrooms, and whatever you see in green are basically 3 bedrooms. Now let me explain to Tower 1. In Tower 1, the 01 series, basically from floor 2 to floor 8 is a 1 bedroom. Then you have the 2 bedrooms over here. The corner one is a 2 bedroom. What we've also done is we've basically made a 2 bedroom layout here, which will have partial views of the golf course, but which will be much cheaper in terms of price. So somebody who doesn't want to spend, say, a 1.5, 1.6 million, but he wants a golf course where a 1.3 million can choose units over here. And also the same is applicable for units on this side. We also made 3 bedrooms only on the top floors. 3 bedrooms are only 10% of the entire development. Even in 3 bedrooms, we have investor option. Somebody wants to just buy the beautiful 3 bedroom space for space. We have a 3 bedroom basically on the rare side, which are these ones, which are at a very attractive price as compared to the golf course facing units. Now, if you look at from floors 2 to 8 in Tower 1, you have 24 units on one floor. And from the floor 9 to 12, you have 18 units on each floor. This is just Tower 1. Tower 2 is a mirror image of Tower 1. So Tower 1 is meant to be ground plus podium plus 12 floors. And the 3 bedrooms will be on from the floor 9 onwards. And ground plus podium plus 13 is Tower 2. And you will have 3 bedrooms from 10th floor onwards. Coming to the floor plans. The 687 square foot, 1 bedrooms, very optimally designed with open kitchens and 1 washroom. You have very rectangularish 2 bedroom layouts of 1055 square foot. And when we come to the price, you will understand that how efficient the designs are, and the per square foot rate is so attractive that it actually falls into the affordable lifestyle segment and will attract a lot of customers. The 3 bedrooms, we've given semi-closed kitchens for all the customers who are looking for a user option. Beautiful option. These are 1800 square foot. The semi-closed kitchens can be closed after handover if the customer wishes to. Now, what is the opportunity here? We're talking about, okay, apartments in Emaar South, great. But before even going there, this year itself, I think what we are seeing is possibly a once in a lifetime event. In quarter 2 alone, 34,000 apartments were sold. 34,000 apartments were sold in Dubai in quarter 2 alone. Now, this is a staggering number. So this is all in front of you. This is reality. This is where you have to absorb this, accept this, and reflect it to the customers. A lot of investors who are abroad, they will be questioning, is this happening for real? What is the growth of Dubai? You have to show how Dubai has grown year on year. Now, last year, Dubai has almost done around 175, 180 billion dirhams. This year, you are poised to do 230 billion dirhams, which is almost a 30 to 35% growth from 2023. Now, this is where the real estate market is going. Yes, everything around the world might not be happening as to their wishes. There are some kind of recession fears outside. But if you look at Dubai, because the way we've opened up, and Dubai is a small city, because of the lifestyle, the safety, the security, the way we are handling everybody in the city, people are willing to move here. I was just speaking to one of my friends in India. He was just telling me that around 10,000 millionaires just from India might move to Dubai in the next 1 to 1.5 years. Now, this is the kind of movement which is happening from other countries. For all these people who are bringing their setups, their businesses, they are getting employment to Dubai. Imagine the kind of demand Dubai has to generate in terms of supply. And that is where 63 billion dirhams just in 1 quarter. These are real numbers and these are astonishing numbers. You have to talk these numbers to the customers to make them believe that, for them, you have to be a part of it now, because Dubai market is just growing year on year. I think it's an 18% growth quarter on quarter and a 46.5% growth as compared to quarter 2 2023. Now, Dubai South, in terms of apartments absorption, we have seen a drastic growth from around, if you look at this, just around 300 apartments sold in 2021. Right now, you are selling around 1,300 apartments in 2024. Now, this is almost a 400% growth in just 3 years' time. If you look at this, I think there's a lot of demand catching up for apartments, especially in the affordable segment, and hence you are seeing a lot of growth in the last 3 years. In terms of per square foot rates, I think we've gone, you're looking at around 800 dirham per square foot in 2019. Today, the average apartments which are trading in the DLD are at 1500 dirham per square foot, showing that this is really one of the most growth trajectory we've seen in the last 4 years' time. Now, the ultimate opportunity, we spoke about golf course developments historically having a 20% more appreciation as compared to developments. And in return, you get higher yield because you're just not selling an apartment with just a podium, but you're selling an entire master community with schools, with hospitals, with golf courses, and obviously proximal to the new airport. And hence, it makes Emaar South possibly giving you a 20 to 30% more return and more yield as compared to any other development around Emaar South. Now, the inventory, We have a total of 590 units to be sold in this launch. We have 300 one-bedrooms. If you look at, we have 92% 1 and 2 bedrooms. It's mostly poised towards the investors because this is the place where they can make good money, they can get good yield after handover. We have also made 48 units of 3 bedrooms for the end users who are willing to basically buy the space. And hence there's a total of 590 units to be sold in both the towers. Now I think the most attractive opportunity we have, when we released the starting price, everybody was excited. It's 949,000 for a 1 bedroom. Emaar has not launched a sub 1 million 1 bedroom for a long time, and hence it makes it one of the most anticipated launch of this year. That's enough? You want less? I think just for this launch, we are making the launch price starting at 899,000 for a 1 bedroom, which makes possibly this the best opportunity of 2024. Let's make it better, guys. I think this time the applause has to go up, okay? We're gonna have 150 units under 900,000. We're gonna start at 854,000 for a 1 bedroom. The 300 units of 1 bedrooms will start at 854,000, which will go to 1.1 million for a golf course facing 1 bedrooms on an average of 9. The 2 bedrooms with non-golf course view will start at 1.2 million. Will go all the way to 1.6 million for a direct full golf course facing unit. The 3 bedroom non-golf course will be at 2,045,000, and the average price of the golf course will be around 2.6 million. Satisfied? No?
Yes.
We've also given you a good 80-20 payment plan. It's a very equally spread out 20% payment plan for every year. I think the payment plan is a great opportunity along with this impeccable price, which makes it for investors. You're only looking at a 20% cash outflow every year. If you're looking at a 1 bedroom for a 850,000, 900,000, you're only looking at a 180,000 outflow every year.